Welcome. In front of me is an HMD XR21, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. Now to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you find one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, right over here. And part of this kind of tray right here, you can see there is a hole in it. You want to utilize that. Oops, let's try that again. So there we go. As you can see, the pin is holding right here, and you just simply want to push it in. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for 2 SIM cards, so one on either side. You can occupy obviously both of these trays or just one, and if you're planning to use one, it doesn't really matter which one. Just make sure that when you place the card in place, it is clipped in correctly. It should not be protruding from the tray and should not be falling out of the tray when you flip it over. Then insert it back into your device, and this card should start working right away. As you can see, it's already working. It's telling me to insert my SIM card pin. Okay, so that unlocks my SIM card, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.